Did you know your ice cream, your juice, and even the air around you are all made of matter? Matter is anything that takes up space. Tables are matter, water is matter, even the air you breathe is matter. Matter comes in three main forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Solids keep their own shape. A rock stays hard. A chair keeps the same shape. Ice is a solid too. Liquids can move and be poured. They take the shape of whatever container they are in. Water, milk, and juice are liquids. Gases spread out and fill the space around them. You usually cannot see them, but they are always there. Air is a gas. When a solid gets warm, it can change into a liquid. Ice melting into water is called melting. When a liquid gets really cold, it changes into a solid. For example, water turning into ice is called freezing. So freezing means liquid becomes solid. When a liquid gets super hot, it can change into a gas. Like water can turn into steam when it heats up. So heating means liquid becomes gas. Okay, get ready. It's time to try a few questions. Let's see what you remember. Okay, let's see what we've learned. What state of matter is an ice cube? That's right, a solid. What state of matter is juice? Oh, that's a liquid. What about air? Yup, it's a gas. Now what happens when ice gets warm? It melts. And what happens when water gets very cold? It freezes. So we've got solid, liquid, and gas. Nice job! So solids keep their shape. Liquids, can be poured. And gases, well, they spread out and fill up any space. Look around you. Books are solids. Water is a liquid. The air you breathe is a gas. Science is all around you. Great job learning about states of matter today. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep asking questions about the world around you.